General cleaning and maintenance of your sewing machine. Release your bobbin cover. If you have a top load or front load, remove your bobbin. And with a lint brush, you want to brush away any loose threads or lint that accumulates under the presser foot. This area is notorious for collecting dust and loose threads that can jam up your machine or cause the bobbin to malfunction. So in that area, you want to keep it clean from any dust and lint. You can also use a pipe cleaner. I have one that is folded and twisted, and generally with a pipe cleaner you can get into those little small areas that a lint brush cannot go into, a little bit deeper. Once you have cleaned that area, you can replace your bobbin. And you want to do this with every use of the machine. That way you keep it nice and clean and it does not accumulate the dust and lint. When you're not using your machine, you can place a piece of fabric underneath the presser foot, lower the needle into the fabric, and lower the presser foot. This will help to stabilize the bobbin area underneath. Last, to help your machine stay lint free, you can place a lint cover on your machine. This could be plastic, vinyl, or some other fabric that does not collect dust. And there you have it.